When it comes to cleaning your home, having a reliable vacuum cleaner is essential. However, finding a high-quality vacuum that fits your budget can be challenging. Fortunately, there are numerous options available for under $300 that deliver exceptional performance without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 vacuums available on Aliexpress, providing detailed overviews and key features for each model. Number 1. Alife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Alife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an innovative solution for busy households, particularly those with pets. This smart robot vacuum combines functionality with advanced technology, making it an excellent choice for users who want a hands-free cleaning experience. With its slim design, the V3S Pro can easily navigate under furniture and reach tight spaces. Its powerful suction is specifically designed to pick up pet hair, making it ideal for pet owners. The vacuum runs for up to 120 minutes on a single charge, ensuring thorough cleaning throughout your home. Additionally, it comes equipped with smart sensors to prevent collisions and falls, allowing it to clean effectively without supervision. Key features: smart navigation, anti-collision, and anti-drop sensors help the vacuum navigate around obstacles and avoid falling off stairs. Powerful pet hair removal, specially designed suction capabilities that effectively lift pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Long battery life, up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge, allowing it to cover large areas without interruption. Automatic charging, returns to its charging dock when battery levels are low, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Scheduled cleaning, users can set specific cleaning times for the vacuum to operate, ensuring a clean home without daily effort. Number 2. Dream V9 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Dream V9 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that is perfect for both quick cleanups and detailed cleaning tasks. This cordless vacuum features a sleek design that enhances its portability, making it easy to use in various areas of your home. The V9 is equipped with a high-speed brushless motor that provides exceptional suction power, capable of picking up dirt, dust, and debris from carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. Its lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability, while the 2,500 mAh battery offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on standard mode, making it a reliable option for daily cleaning. Key features: powerful suction, the high-speed motor delivers up to 20,000 pascals of suction power, ensuring efficient cleaning on multiple surfaces. Cordless design, enjoy the freedom of movement without being tethered to a power outlet. Multi-surface cleaning, effectively cleans carpets, hard floors, and upholstery, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Easy-to-clean dustbin, features a 0.5 L dustbin that is easy to empty, helping maintain hygiene and convenience. Washable filter, the HEPA filter is washable, ensuring long-lasting performance and cleaner air. Number 3. Ecovix D-Bot 500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Ecovix D-Bot 500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an efficient cleaning solution that combines advanced technology with ease of use. Designed to tackle both carpets and hard floors, this robot vacuum is equipped with smart navigation technology that enables it to map your home and clean systematically. It offers several cleaning modes, including auto, spot, and edge cleaning, to cater to different cleaning needs. With a runtime of up to 110 minutes, the D-Bot 500 can cover large areas without needing frequent recharges. The accompanying app allows for remote control, scheduling, and monitoring of cleaning sessions, making it an ideal choice for tech-savvy users. Key features: smart home integration, compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing voice-activated control. Multiple cleaning modes, offers various cleaning modes to adapt to your specific cleaning requirements. Long battery life, provides up to 110 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, ideal for larger spaces. Remote control. Control the vacuum through the Aliexpress app for added convenience. Anti-drop sensors, equipped with sensors to avoid falling off ledges, ensuring safe operation. Number 4 Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional NV356E. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional NV356E is a versatile upright vacuum cleaner that is perfect for those looking for powerful suction and multifunctional capabilities. This model features a detachable canister, allowing you to easily clean hard-to-reach areas such as stairs and furniture. The NV356E is designed with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. Its lightweight design and easy maneuverability make it suitable for various cleaning tasks, while the powerful suction effectively picks up dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Key features: lift-away technology. Detachable canister allows for portable cleaning and versatility for different surfaces. Anti-allergen complete seal ensures that allergens are trapped inside the vacuum, improving air quality. HEPA filter captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it suitable for allergy sufferers. Swivel steering provides excellent control and maneuverability for easy navigation around furniture. Large capacity dust cup. The extra large dust cup minimizes the need for frequent emptying, enhancing convenience. Number 5 Hoover Wind Tunnel 2-Hole House Rewind Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Hoover Wind Tunnel 2-Hole House Rewind Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is designed for maximum cleaning efficiency and ease of use. This vacuum features a unique wind tunnel technology that creates powerful suction to lift and remove dirt from both carpets and hard floors. The bagless design eliminates the hassle of changing bags, while the automatic cord rewind feature ensures convenient storage. With multiple height adjustments, the Hoover Wind Tunnel 2 can tackle various surfaces, making it a versatile choice for any household. Additionally, it includes a variety of attachments for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and hard-to-reach areas. Key features: wind tunnel technology provides superior suction and performance for effective dirt removal. Bagless convenience eliminates the need for replacement bags, saving you money and time. Automatic cord rewind automatically retracts the cord for easy storage, reducing clutter. Height adjustment adjusts to different floor types for optimal cleaning efficiency. Versatile attachments comes with several attachments for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and tight spaces. Conclusion: choosing the right vacuum cleaner doesn't have to be a complicated process, especially when there are excellent options available for under $300. The Alife V3S Pro, Dream V9, Aliexpress D-Bot 500, Shark Navigator NV356E, and Hoover Wind Tunnel 2 offer a combination of performance, convenience, and value. Each model brings unique features to the table, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. Whether you prefer a robot vacuum for automated cleaning, a handheld for versatility, or a traditional upright for thorough performance, there's a budget-friendly vacuum that fits your lifestyle.